Apple enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting the release of Apple's new iPad Pro models, which promise to be the most significant update since 2018. However, recent reports suggest that the launch of these highly anticipated has been delayed due to various development and production challenges. The switch to OLED displays has proven challenging, contributing to the launch delay. Display supply chain consultants analyst Ross Young states that Samsung will be the sole supplier of OLED displays for the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, while both Samsung and LG will share orders for the 11.1-inch model, diversifying Apple's supply chain to ensure a steady flow of components. The new iPad Pro is anticipated to pack an M3 chip and MagSafe wireless charging. The iPad Air, on the other hand, could run on an M2 chip. The upcoming iPad Pro models are tipped to get thinner bezels and are available in glossy and matte screen versions. The 11-inch variant is likely to have a 7.12 mm bezel, while the 12.9-inch option could have a 7.08 mm bezel. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, in his latest Power On newsletter, said that the refreshed iPad Pro and iPad Air will launch in the first week of May, about a month ahead of its WWDC 2024, which is scheduled to kick off on June 10th. More specifically, on X, he calls for the new tablets to arrive during the week of May 6th. Alongside the new iPads, Apple is expected to announce a new Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro, featuring a larger trackpad, a partially aluminum enclosure, squeeze gesture feature, and other design changes. A new Apple Pencil is also in the works, complementing the new iPad lineup and enhancing the user experience. The new iPad Pros will feature dramatically improved displays, moving from mini LED to OLED panels like the iPhone, offering deeper contrast and brightness. The industrial design is also expected to be updated, with an overall thinner chassis and the front camera moved to the landscape edge. However, price points are expected to rise. The price increase is corroborated by Mark Gurman's newsletter. For reference, the current generation 11-inch iPad Pro starts at $799, and the 12.9-inch iPad Pro starts at $1,099. The new 12.9-inch iPad Air will offer a more affordable option though, while still offering the larger screen size form factor. It's unclear if the new iPad Air will feature M2 or M3 processors, a spec bump from the current M1 configuration. Gurman says that a new lower-end iPad model and a new iPad mini are expected to be released before the end of the year. Instead of hosting an event to announce the release of any of these tablets, Apple will simply issue a press release on their release dates. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.